marketing agencies and business owners. Say hello to RoboMarketer, the world's first autonomous AI agent marketer. RoboMarketer can set up, manage, and optimize your paid advertising campaigns on Autopilot. Integrate the most powerful AI models like ChatGPT o3, DeepSeek R1, Claude 3.5 Sonnet, and all other latest models upon release. How does RoboMarketer work? Step 1. Customize your RoboMarketer IQ brain with your target audience, products, and preferences. Step 2. Launch personalized paid ad campaigns on Autopilot with human-beating performance. Step 3. Ask any questions about your paid ad campaigns and receive customized performance reports in seconds. Step 4. Activate paid ad campaign auto-optimization based on cumulative learnings from a $10 million+ ad spend. RoboMarketer can replace an entire $300,000 per year marketing team with even better performance, guaranteed. What are the top 3 use cases of RoboMarketer? Number 1. Deploy RoboMarketer into your business to run your own ads on Autopilot 24/7, 365 days a year. Number 2. Leverage RoboMarketer to automate your client fulfillment and enable unlimited scale in your marketing agency. Number 3. Resell custom-branded RoboMarketer AI agents as a white-label reseller for recurring income with zero fulfillment. Marketing agencies are calling this the go-high level of AI agent platforms. With our all-in-one white-label agency sub-account program to resell and manage unlimited client accounts from one platform. Choose your RoboMarketer plan to get started. Business plan for personal business use with one single RoboMarketer account. Agency plan for marketing agencies to resell and manage unlimited RoboMarketer accounts. Integrate your ad accounts in just a couple clicks and start running your ads on Autopilot today with RoboMarketer.